Are you looking for the best pressure cookers? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best pressure cookers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Breville Fast Slow Pro. Everything about this Breville pressure cooker was designed with easy use in mind. The interactive LCD display is easy to navigate and tells you exactly what's happening inside. A trio of knobs control time, temperature, pressure, and cooking function, and there are buttons for keep warm, steam release, and stop. The internal pot is coated in a non-toxic ceramic non-stick coating for nearly effortless cleaning. Plus, the Fast Slow Pro has built-in sensors to adjust time and temperature to the conditions inside the pot, and it automatically sets the pressure release at the end of cooking so you don't have to worry about putting your hands near hot steam. Our favorite thing about this pressure cooker was the seemingly endless opportunities for customization. Settings include pressure cook, slow cook, steam, sear, sauté, and reduce, with recipe-specific presets within these categories for dishes like rice, stock, beans, poultry, chili, and more. This machine could easily replace a slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, and Dutch oven all at once. The Fast Slow Pro performed spectacularly across all our tests. It produced tender and flavorful pulled pork and chicken tikka masala. Neither recipe needed any extra time, and we didn't observe any scorching. We had no complaints about this cooker's performance, design, or functionality. The only negative is the price. It's the most expensive pressure cooker we tested. The investment may not be worth it for beginners or casual users, but given its versatility, we think it's still a good value. Capacity, 6 quarts. Dimensions, 12 by 12 by 13 inches. Weight, 13.6 pounds. Settings, pressure cook, slow cook, steam, reduce, sauté, warm, roast, bake. Number 2. Instant Pot Duo Plus 8-quart multi-use. Large families, cooks who love to serve pulled pork sandwiches at dinner parties, and households that meal prep need an extra-large pressure cooker like this 8-quart Instant Pot. The internal stainless steel pot easily browned our pork on the sauté setting, and we loved that it's dishwasher safe for painless cleanup. Our test pork and chicken were both amazingly tender, and the pork shredded effortlessly with a fork. The 8-quart size of the Duo Plus meant the liquid had ample room to circulate and cook everything evenly. But the extra space translates into a larger footprint and added weight. Be ready to dedicate some considerable storage space to this extra-large cooker, which weighs nearly 20 pounds before you add any ingredients. The interface has 10 buttons: pressure cook, slow cook, rice, steam, sauté, yogurt, sous vide, cake, keep warm, and delay start. Within these settings, there are 25 customizable presets for soups, meat, poultry, desserts, several types of grains, beans, and more. This gave us total control over the cooking while still being easy to navigate. The control panel is straightforward to read. It clearly shows the time, temperature, and cook setting, as well as an OK to open lid message as an added safety feature. One of the things that stood out the most about this cooker was how easy it was to operate across rounds of testing by multiple testers. Capacity, 8 quarts. Dimensions, 15 by 15 by 14 inches. Weight, 19.7 pounds. Settings, pressure cook, slow cook, rice, sauté, sterilize, yogurt, warm food, sous vide, cake, steam. Number 3. Our Place Dream Cooker. Our Place is an editor-favorite countertop appliance brand, so when the Dream Cooker came out, we just had to test it. Unsurprisingly, we loved it. The control panel is pared down and easy to use. There are just a few settings: pressure cook, slow cook, sauté/sear, and keep warm, without the potentially confusing submenus for different dishes other models offer. You're trading fussy fine control for simplicity, which could be a good or bad thing depending on how you use your pressure cooker. We do have a minor complaint about the interface's time control. You have to press and hold the plus or minus button to set the timer, and we feel like a dial might have been a better design choice. The Dream Cooker's interior pot is aluminum, which conducts heat exceptionally well, and the coating is non-toxic ceramic, just like the Our Place cookware set that made our list of the best ceramic cookware. Nothing is dishwasher safe, but the silicone gasket and ceramic coating make everything impossibly easy to rinse clean. The sauce for our chicken tikka masala thickened nicely, something that most other slow cookers struggled with. The sauté setting achieved a nice browning on the pork, which was particularly impressive given the non-stick coating. Both meats came out fork tender after cooking. We noticed that the Dream cooker came up to temperature and released pressure quicker than many of the other models we tested too. Capacity, 6 quarts. Dimensions, 15.2 by 12.4 by 13.3 inches. Weight, 12.9 pounds. Settings, pressure cook, slow cook, sauté/sear, keep warm. Number 4. Instant Pot Pro 6-quart pressure cooker. The Instant Pot Pro is the ultimate multi-cooker when it comes to versatility. The intricate control panel is your command center for perfectly customizing all the settings for your exact recipe. We like the indicator that lets you know what stage the cooker is in so you can monitor your food every step of the way. It has 10 settings: pressure cook, slow cook, sous vide, sauté, sterilize, yogurt, keep warm, cake, steam, and rice/grain. Plus, it has 28 presets for a variety of dishes and 5 programmable favorite buttons you can customize to your own recipes. Our chicken and pork both turned out absolutely perfect with no extra time needed. We were particularly impressed with how well the sauté setting worked to actually sauté and begin to caramelize the onions in both recipes before we closed the lid and started pressurizing. We had no complaints about cleaning the Instant Pot Pro. The silicone gasket and stainless steel inner pot were easy to clean despite the deep browning we got on the meat. While we loved this cooker's versatility, the sheer number of options can be overwhelming, especially for a beginner. If you're looking for a basic pressure cooker, this machine's complicated control panel and many buttons might scare you off. Capacity, 6 quarts. Dimensions, 13 by 12.7 by 12.8 inches. Weight, 13.2 pounds. Settings, pressure cook, slow cook, sous vide, sauté, sterilize, yogurt, keep warm, cake, steam, rice/grain. Number 5. Instant Pot Duo Mini 3-quart. Pressure cookers aren't just for big batch cooking. The 3-quart Instant Pot Duo Mini is a small but mighty machine that can produce the all results you want from a pressure cooker without hogging up counter space or making more food than a small household needs. With just an 11-inch diameter, it can fit snugly in almost any kitchen cabinet or shelf. But just because it's compact doesn't mean it's basic. Like many larger Instant Pot models, the Duo Mini has settings for pressure cook, slow cook, rice, yogurt, steam, sauté, and keep warm. There are also 13 handy presets for meat, stew, broth, beans, and more. Our chicken and pork both came out super tender, and the pork could easily be shredded with a fork. We just wish the screen would consistently show the time left. We noticed its cycles between flashing an on indicator and the actual timer, which was annoying during testing. Capacity, 3 quarts. Dimensions, 11.4 by 11.2 by 10 inches. Weight, 8.7 pounds. Settings, pressure cook, slow cook, rice, yogurt, steam, sauté, keep warm.